To our WBM Lint roller. So this is going to be really cute. A lot of people were excited about this because it has a cover. Let me go ahead and I'm going to get a fresh piece here so I can go ahead and demonstrate to you guys. So you just take a piece from the corner and then you pull until it comes off just like that. Very, very simple. It has a cover like this. Really cute color too, might I add. These are very, very effective. Now I have a cat, so obviously I'm like covered in like little fuzzies all the time. That's part of the problem of having a cat. So you go ahead and pop it open like this, and then you just roll with it. Literally, just roll with it. And look, I have like a fuzzy on here because we were talking about blankets earlier. Lots of little fuzzies everywhere. Let me go down my shirt like this. You get all the fuzzies off, all of them off of me, so that I have a nice clean shirt. And then look at this. How gross is that? I have fuzzies from my hoodie, I have one of my own hairs, and I have cat hairs. Look at that. Look how much that took off of me, how fast I did that. And look, my shirt looks beautiful and fresh and new again. I love these. And then when you're done with it, like I said, you just go to the corner right here, and it's gonna have a little place for you to peel right here with your nail, and then you just pull gently like this, and that's it. Now you have a completely fresh one. It is going to have 60 different pieces, so it's a really big roll, and then you just close it up when you're not using it. That way nothing is getting stuck on anything. That way it's not getting anything attached to it. You're not getting any fuzzies or anything. It's fresh and ready to go. So every time, just take one off and have it fresh and ready to go. Close it up so then when you have to go to work really quick or you have to go out really quick, it's ready for you for the next time. It maintains its stickiness even after it's been sitting there because it's nice and closed up. So again, for this one, you easily just take from the corner to take it off, and then you just roll. Okay, and then it has the cover, so you can just go ahead and roll down the whole shirt. You know, my cat hairs are attached to me. I know it is. I was just picking up my cat when she was running in here to try and check out my live stream, because the first time we tried to live stream, it wouldn't let me come in for like ever. For like 20 minutes, it wouldn't let me come in, and then it wouldn't let me live stream. It was just not showing anybody. It was live streaming, but it wasn't showing on Amazon. I don't know what happened. We got blocked or something. So then my cat came in here and I'm like, no, everything's going wrong. Get out of here. And I had to pick her up and I just covered in cat hairs. So perfect way to show you guys how easily this cleans up and how you just take that off, peel it off, and close it up when you're done. Really, really simple. It's marked down 18% off to $16.38. You get 60 sheets in there. So this is going to last you a long time, because even one sheet, you can cover it back up. It'll stay adhesive and sticky. So that protects it from sticking to anything, but it also keeps that nice and fresh so that it doesn't start to dry out and not be sticky anymore. So you're not having to use this mini like you would with one that doesn't have the cover on it. Really, really nice, high quality, very easy to use. I love the cover on that.